I am Dharmisha Prajapati. Today we will learn lesson number 3, Advanced Features of Excel 2013. In this lesson we will learn about advanced features of Excel. So which are the advanced feature? Autofill, sorting, custom list, filtering, conditional formatting. But before the first, you understand some important words. First word is autofill. Excel has a facility to fill a data series automatically using the autofill features. It also has the flash fill features that recognize the pattern of data and fill the remaining list accordingly. Next word is sorting. Data in a worksheet, we can change its order of appearance. This is called sorting of data. We can set ascending or descending order. Now next word is fill handle. The small black square at the lower right corner of the cell. This square is called fill handle. Next word is custom list. An order list of frequently used text entry that you can enter quickly through the autofill. Now filtering. To display only the row or column that meet a specified condition or criteria. Custom filtering. To use a complex criteria to the filter data. Conditional formatting. Setting a cell format according to the condition specified by the user, that is called condition formatting. Now autofill. Autofill. Excel 2013 has advanced features. Autofill is one of them. By using it, we can insert data. It's allow you to fill range of cell with a series of data without actually typing in it. There are two predefined series that can be filled in Excel using autofill: month of year and day of the week. Here given table, autofill option and their respective action. Copy cell. This copy the content of selected cell to the cells indicated by the fill operation. Fill series. This fill the cells indicated by the fill operator with the next item in the series. Fill formatting only. This copy the format of selected cell to the cells indicated by the fill operation but does not place any value in the target cells. Fill without formatting. This fill the cells indicated by the fill operation with the next item in the series but ignore any formatting applied to the source cells. Fill days or fill weekdays. This option change according to the series filled using the autofill. Flash fill. This fills the cells by using flash fill. It fills the values by identifying a pattern in the worksheet. Now, custom list. An order list of frequently used text entries that you can enter a quick through the autofill. You have seen that autofill can fill a name of the day, of week and month in a year. This is because these lists are already stored in the custom list. You can add your own list to the custom list. There are two ways to add a list: by importing a list of items and by typing the list of in the custom list dialog box. We can also edit and delete a custom list. Now flash fill. Flash fill features is the new features in Excel 2013. It recognizes the data fill pattern in the worksheet and fill a remaining series accordingly. Now sorting. Sorting rearrange a data which may be textual, numerical or alphanumerical in the specified order. Here we discuss about two types of sorting: one column sorting and multiple column sorting. These options available in a home tab in the editing group, sort and filter button. It is also available on the data tab in the sort and filter group. Now next one is organizing data into levels. If you want to total the salary of each department and want to find out the grand total of all the salaries, you can organize the data into department level. Here we will learn how to perform autofill. So see here, autofill, insert to 4, 6, then select 3 value, then drag your cursor, remaining value insert automatically. This is called autofill. Now custom list, it has a two-way, by importing data and by typing a data. First method we perform by importing a data. So first of all, make a list. Here we make a list for importing. So list is there, spring, summer. In this way we make a list. After making list, click on file menu, then options, see, then advanced, then open general, edit custom list, then click on option and select the list, then OK, then click on import button. In this way we can import the list in a option dialog box, then click OK, then again click on OK. So whenever you need this list, type only first word of the list and then drag your mouse pointer. In this way we can insert a list in the sheet. Now next method is typing a list in a custom list dialog box. So first of all, again click on file menu, then option, then again click here advanced, then open general, then edit custom list. Here given add button, click on this and type a list, that is called type method. So type a list here in a custom list dialog box. Here we make a list of subject, maths, science, English, social science, Hindi, then OK. Again click on OK. So in this way we make it, then write down only first word of the list and then drag it. In this way we can perform custom list.